friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bindle Boogie from Poppy Playtime 5, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along on pace. So first let's get started by drawing in a nice big circle for the head. So starting right in the center of our page, we're going to curve this all the way around, and we're just going to tuck this back in underneath. We'll start on the opposite side now, continuing to curve this all the way around, arching that back into the middle. Let's come over now. On the left hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now moving in towards the middle, drawing in another circle right in the center. And then we'll move across on the right hand side, replicating that. Now let's create an X inside of the eye. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this line out and in on a diagonal. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's come in underneath, bringing this diagonal line out, tucking that up. And then we'll bring this across on a diagonal again, tucking that back in. Let's come up now. So on the top here, we're going to draw in an upside down triangle. We'll come across on the left, drawing a straight line coming down. And then we'll step over on the right, drawing a diagonal line coming across. Now from here, we're going to flatten these out on the bottom, leaving a gap in the middle. And then in the center, we're just going to draw on the letter M. So a straight line that comes up on either side. And then we're just going to connect that together with the letter V. Let's move up in the middle, drawing in an arch line. And then stepping across, replicating that again. Let's come up above that from that corner, curving this over and out to the left. And then from that point, just tucking this back around and in towards the top. Now up above, we're just going to curve this line in towards that corner. We'll draw the letter V here. We'll come down, leaving a gap, replicating that again. And then we'll do that again one more time. Let's move underneath for the mouth here. So we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to arch this around, tucking that over and into the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the middle, we're just going to curve this line directly across. On the top, we're just going to flatten this out, bringing this in towards the top. And now we're going to come down and draw in a straight line across. We'll leave a gap, replicating that. And then we'll just keep moving down, leaving an even amount of space as we come all the way down. We'll continue the straight line underneath the mouth, so pulling that through to the chin. And then again, just continuing 2 more straight lines across. Let's come down, leaving a gap. We're going to draw in a circle. In the center on either side, drawing in a diagonal line coming up. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we move out towards the chin. Now from the center, stepping out, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom on both sides. And then we're going to curve this line out. Now from that corner, we're just going to curve this around and in towards the top. Let's step over. So we're going to start on the top, curving this line down for the torso on either side. Now from here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the foot. Let's come underneath, drawing in a small curved line. Let's start on the top. We're going to arch this line down, over, and across. Let's draw on the thumb here. So we're just going to round this out, curving this over, tucking that back in. Now moving across from here, again, curving this around, arching this over, tucking that back into the foot. And that is it. That's how you draw Bindle Boogie from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.